Hey everyone, Coach Brenda here. So I'm just coming to you really quick. I am coming to you because I want to show you a few things that I'm doing during the weekend, this weekend. So this is meal prep time for me, and I'm not cleaning anything up. I'm just going with it and just show you a little bit of what I'm doing, what I've been doing for my meal prep. So a few things that I did. I have some meatloaf, little meatloaves in the oven that are cooking. They're getting ready, so I can just doing a little batch cooking. Here I made some salmon. I have some salmon that I baked. I also do this weekly is I do garlic and I put it in a little mason jar and I use it. Let me see. Can you see that? And I just roast them. I put some olive oil on them and I put them in the oven with a little sea salt. So that's my garlic. Here I made some cauliflower. This is cauliflower mashed potatoes. I did add little bacon pieces in there, crunched it up, add some green onion to it, and that's my cauliflower. I no longer eat mashed potatoes. I'm just telling you that. I no longer eat mashed potatoes because I love the cauliflower. I love the consistency of it. It's not as thick as the mashed potatoes, but I love them. And here I have some corn. My husband likes corn. So I'm doing some corn. I don't know if you can see that. I'm doing some corn and I got peppers in it. I'm doing some onions in it. And I'm going to just put a little olive oil and fry my corn. So I'm doing some fried corn. And those are just a few things that I'm doing. I do have these, and these are little cookies. What I do is I do bananas, I do walnuts, I do some oatmeal, add some oatmeal to it, and I make some little snacks. They're not sweet. Oh, and applesauce, a half a cup of applesauce to it, and you can add nuts, raisins, whatever you want. But that just kind of helps with my sweet tooth. If I want something, I'll do that. And you bake them in the oven, and they're little cookies. They're little like soft bars, like little bars, but I make them like little cookies. So that's just a few things that I'm doing. I want to encourage you to get started, do your meal prep, prepare some things so that during the week you don't have to be in the kitchen. It's hot in Atlanta, so I try to do some things. And then I have little snacks that I have. These are little snacks that I use some seaweed, they're chili lime. So I use stuff like this if I do want something to snack on. So these are just a few tips for you. I want to encourage you to get moving. Do some things. Go make your shopping list out and prepare some things so that you are ready for the week. All right? Have an amazing day. Talk to you soon.